Know that every coin has two sides, first positive and second negative. So same story with internet also have two sides. So first of all, here we are going to discuss over the boon of internet. So my first point is that due to proper availability of internet, world had just become a global village. We can get any information what is happening along the world within a second. A part of this internet also a opportunity to get a lots of jobs, as we know that population is growing over the world day by day. As well in India stands second position in the population. So due to internet availability, a opportunity of jobs is increasing day by day, and you can get a lot of money, not just for your daily life, for just your future. You can get a good job from the internet. A part of this internet is very helpful for the person who was living in a rural area, so they can easily person due to availability of internet. A part of this, before the internet, to transfer a file is a very suffering process and take a lot of time. But after the availability of internet, file transfer becomes very easy. We can easily transfer any file from one place to another within a second. A part of this internet in the government, that we can say that internet encouraging our right of freedom. Like this is a freedom from our constitution to freedom of speech. So so availability of internet empowering our freedom of speech. We can share our views through social media, and government will be pressurized to listen us. As we saw same with the SSC railway student, they spoke their voice, they raised their voice in front of government through social media platform, and finally government has to take step in order to uh, do something. A part of this, due to availability of internet, e-learning is possible. As we saw in the COVID-19 pandemic and lockdown, all the digital classes and work from home is possible through internet. A part of this, social media is also possible only proper availability of internet. And it came from internet. For example, we can took Ranu Mandal and Baba Jackson, very famous dancer, has become a very famous dancer, and a lots of example like that. So we have a proper platform, and we are not pressurized in any other company to give bribe. We can easily share our talent over the social media platform. A part of this, storing information is become very easy. As we know, Google Drive, we can easily keep our important document like PDFs and important video over the Google Drive, and that is possible due to internet. A part of this, communication became easy, because if you have to communicate anyone, we can just drop a message and get response within a second, and WhatsApp calling and etc etc, a lots of things that is possible due to availability of internet. A part of this, nowadays we are seeing that you can pay your electricity bill and gases, and also get goods like Amazon and Flipkart, and pay your bill from the home. So this all these things possible due to internet. A part of this, if you wanted to get any information now, then you directly go to Google, and before the availability of internet you have to suffer a lot to get any information. You have to go through books, and after that you have to find a lot to get any information. But the story is not same today. You just put what you exactly want over the Google engine, and just you get information of particular topic within a second. A part of this, you can buy any online course through internet that is very costly through offline. Here we can take example of SSB interview. If you are going through SSB interview through any offline batch, then you have to pay a lot of money. Sometimes students are not able to pay that amount of money, so they will go for the online classes. Then this is very helpful for economically weak student. A part of this, we all know that we use internet a lot in the entertaining. So to get ourselves entertained, it is a major source from the internet. Then we can watch movie and video, and now a lots of other platform got introduced, and after the lockdown a lots of movie are releasing over the internet platform and social media platform. So this is all 13 point is in favor of internet. Here you need not to learn and remember all the 13 point, because there you don't have a lot of time. If you are able to learn only 6 and 7 point, then it will be beneficial for you, because you will get only 3 minute or 2 minute or 1 minute to lecturate the topic or deliver the topic. Then do not take stress. In spite of, prepare yourself for the face situation. Now we are moving from the boon and going to discuss over the some banes of internet. So here we have 8 point of the internet harm and bane. First, my first point is that using directly proportional to the our decreasing and deteriorate health along with our deteriorate eyes. We see that we suffer internet mainly at the night, and in the dark the light of our display will directly affect our eyes. Then it is very harmful for our health and eyes. My second point is that highly use of internet is decreasing our concentration power. We know that when we surf internet, we see that we have to concentrate a lot of things at the same time. So this is very harmful for our mind and our concentration power along with our IQ level. So it is affecting a lot of things at the same time. My second point is that many distraction. We all know that we are women, and if we are going to take any online classes, then first we open our log and then we go to WhatsApp and check messages, and second we go to Instagram and second check the stories and new post, and then after we go to Facebook and check the post, and then after we open the app and get our online classes. This is honesty, and you can't so we can say that there is a lots of distraction, and a part of this lack of security, as we all know that legends are saying that the third world war will be based over the data, so it is very hard to secure our data, and hackers are very legendary type. They can just bypass your data and blackmail you to get money or anything else, so you have to uh, causes with your data. So we can say that lack of security, and a part of this, due to availability of internet and social media, face to face communication has totally reduced. We know that we have a lots of followers and friends over Facebook and Instagram, but we don't have more than 10 and 12 friends in our daily life. So, and if we have friend, then we are not able to get time to communicate with them and etc etc. So we can say that face to face communication has been totally reduced from our life, and a lot of things, and a part of this, we know that we can get any information from the internet, and we can also share any information to the social media platform. Then that's mean there will be a lots of misleading information also, and some sure people got distracted. And this is very time taking, and we can't waste our time like 5 hours 6 hours one day over the internet. This will be totally deteriorate our life. A part of this internet addiction, so that is very and after the lockdown we saw that due to lockdown and quarantine period, people got more addicted towards mobile and internet. So this is more harmful than covid-19, because you can overcome from covid-19 disease, but you, if you are addicted with internet, then it is very hard to overcome. So that's all point in the favor of Bain. And now I am going to discuss over the conclusion. As we know that it is a need for we should not just word. That's it.